Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 13th chapter, that is electric current and its effects. So in previous video already I have discussed about that what is that current and generally what is that atom consists of the three smallest particles, what are the electron, proton and what are the different charges. I already discussed in the previous video. But students, today we are going to discuss about that what is that electric circuit. Electric circuit means the current in which way or which path it travels or it moves. Okay, so through which path it is moving, that is called, the charge is moving or the current is moving, that is called as a electric circuit. And it needs or it mainly consists of three things, that is one electric bulb, one conductor or conductor, that is wire, and one source, that means one bulb battery. Okay, so mainly what is that thing? Three things are needed: one battery, one connector or conductor or wire, or one bulb. If we will make in arrange on a systematic way, then it is called as one circuit. Through this, the current, the charge will flow from the battery to up to bulb. Okay, this is called as electric circuit. Let us discuss in this video, and whatever the symbols and what are the components we will discuss in this video. Let us see. So see students, here electric circuit means the path along which electric current can flow or the travel or move. That means observe that is called as electric circuit or circuits. This is two diagrams I have written, friends. One open circuit, one is closed circuit. What do you mean by open circuit? Open circuit means that current cannot flow. That means it is off system. And closed circuit means it is called as bulb. This is key or switch, or this is cell. Okay, same like this is also key, this is bulb, and this is cell. Okay, this is why you should say this is open circuit, why you should say this is closed circuit. When the closed circuit in, that current can flow or that current can flow. Okay, but in open circuit current cannot flow, because you should observe it is disconnected. That wire is like this. If you will understand also, like this connection is there. This battery, if like this bulb is like this, that means it is not connected. So from this it is coming, but here it will stop. When it will connect to this, then that current will flow. So this is about that. What is that open circuit and what is that closed circuit? Open circuit is that like this symbols and it does not connect to the wire and there is no complete connection. So here closed is there. It is broken this. The circuit is broken. This is means closed. That means that switch on is there. That means switch on is there here. This is switch off is there. Okay. So this is the difference. The path which electric current can flow. This path electric current cannot flow. Okay. This path also electric current cannot flow. This is called as what is that? Electric circuit. And mainly three things are required: bulb, connector, and a cell. Okay, these three things we can make a simple circuit. This is called as, so many complicated and complex circuit is there, but it is only mainly three things are required for that. So this we can make called as also simple electric circuit. What we should say? Simple electric circuit. Okay. A circuit diagram is the representation of a circuit using symbols for its components. Now you have observed that friends, in this diagrams I did not write here what is that bulb or what is that. I did not show that like drawing like, or accurately it is not identified. But by symbolically you can understand. See that here I am writing bulb, that means symbolically I have written this is not bulb. Like this. That means it is on that bulb. Yes or no? So this is the symbolically, electrical symbolically you can represent and you can understand this is bulb symbols. And now here like this one is there. This is, you have to think that switch. There are two types of represented switch. One is, this is open switch, that means off switch, and if you keep like this is on switch. Another one is like this one connection is there. Now here in the circuit this is represented as a cell. So now three things we represented by the what is symbolically components. Symbolically we have represented. Yes or no? So this is means so many, not only these three, so many things are there which one we are representing by the symbols, okay, or components, for its components. So now see ammeter as a and that like two lines are there. If a and this line is there, this is called as ammeter. What will be ammeter, friends? You have idea? Ammeter means it is one instrument to use to find that amount of current is flow in the circuit. How much amount are flowing in the circuit, that finding by one instrument or that one meter works on meter, that is device, that is called as ammeter. Okay, and then so this is called as ammeter. What is that? It is V. V means voltmeter. Voltmeter, what is that? Potential difference. To find out that potential difference between the two electrodes, that is called as a potential difference, and symbolically we are writing V. Okay. And this is cell. Okay, observe friends, there are two differences there. Cell is one parallel two lines, but one small line and one like this. This is called as cell. Okay, two parallel lines like this, but one short and one what is that, long. And this long one is positive, this is negative. Always remember friends, here also this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative. So these two lines, one of the long line is called as a positive electrode and this is negative sides. Okay, now next here observe that here friends, battery, here 3-4 lines are there connected. That means so many cells whenever will connected, then it will form that battery. Okay, more number of cells it will connected in the series connection like it. This is okay. Now this is called as what is that, a battery symbol like this. Understood? So battery means number of cells are connected in that series connection like that. That is called as a battery. Now this is already I have told electric bulb. This is wire, one solid line is there. If you make that one solid line, this is called as a wire or connector or conductor. And this is switch off and this is on, and alternative also you can understand this way. So this is also switch and this is also switch. This is also resistor. Okay, resistance or resist to cut, it is called as a controlling that current. Okay, so these are whole about that components, symbolical components of symbols of the components. Different components purposes we are using in electrical symbols. Okay friends, so these are the in circuit diagrams you will find out these things. Okay, so the whole about that electric circuit and how that electric circuit, what are the symbols are using instead of for the components. But now we will discuss about that. What special I told you, the circuit mainly made up of three components. One is cell, bulb and a connecting wire. Okay, what is that cell? Now the source of electric energy, current is known as the cell. Means source of the electrical energy, from where the electric energy is coming from. Like sun energy is getting from the sun. Same like this electrical energy we are getting from the cell or that generator or where is that. But generally we are cell is the source of electrical energy also. The bulb, the device which uses or consume the current. In this case, in the simple circuit we are detecting now. I am saying in the simple circuit, this is the cell, bulb and the connecting. Cell is the source of the electricity. Bulb is the consumer. It is consuming that electricity. And a connector, connecting the wire means conductor. It is connecting to the battery to bulb. Okay, so these are whole about that electrical circuit diagrams and about that components what we are using, symbols we are using for the different electrical components. Okay friends, thank you all students. Next we will discuss about that other main component things are there. What are that resistance, what are the conductor, what is the insulator. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.